What if I told you it's extremely simple to prove the identity sine squared plus cos squared is equal to 1? So let's do it. You start with the right triangle, and then let's say the angle is theta. And then in reference to theta, you can label these sides as hypotenuse for the longest side, adjacent for the side that's next to the angle, and opposite to the side that's opposite to the angle. So we can make the sides have labels that are short form H, A, O. H for hypotenuse, A for adjacent, and O for opposite. So then sine theta is equal to opposite over hypotenuse, O over H. Cos theta is equal to adjacent over hypotenuse, A over H. So if we take sine squared theta plus cos squared theta, that's going to be equivalent to O over H squared plus A over H all squared. If you square a fraction, you can square the numerator and denominator separately, giving you O squared over H squared plus A squared over H squared. And then you can make that into one fraction because they have the same denominator. So then you get O squared plus A squared over H squared. And now we know that O squared plus A squared is equal to H squared because A squared plus B squared equals C squared. So then we get H squared over H squared, and H squared divided by H squared is equal to 1. Therefore, sine squared plus cos squared is equal to 1. A proof that was simple. If you like more videos like this, please subscribe and leave comments below.